And I think I'm going to throw this one over to Don because I think he can probably answer it very well for us. It seems like the bench of the manufacturing experience is dwindling. The older, more experienced engineers and technicians are retiring, and there doesn't seem to be a sufficient pipeline to replace that knowledge gap. What does it mean for the industry?
That's a true statement. It seems like there's an extreme amount of knowledge out there that is retiring early in the manufacturing world. And one thing that's important is how do we tap into that retirement pool of knowledge and utilize it to help educate the up-and-coming gap of people. There's a large gap in that knowledge right now. So one opportunity is using the retirement individuals as a gap filler to the customer base and bringing in those people for short periods of time. A lot of these experienced people still want to pass on a lot of their knowledge and their lessons learned and all their experience. So we have found success in bringing some of those people on board and helping to support the customer. And one thing that's important is always leaving them with a coaching and a teaching opportunity and passing on the skill sets that those resources have gained.